today's discussion was very productive. We were having a discussion on how National Cooperative Union of India could collaborate with National Skill Development Corporation to take forward Skill India agenda, given the huge network that the cooperative have across India. The idea was what are the common themes on which we could work. So the exchange was very productive, and I'm looking forward to working together with National Cooperative Union of India on this important initiative.